How to fix Google Drive sorry you can't view or download this file at this time. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Drive sorry you can't view or download this file at this time. So guys, for this you have to go to your phone settings, and then you have to go to install apps or app manager or anything, application manage. I have installed apps, so I will go to install apps. Now I will search for drive. Here is it. Click on drive, and then you can see here, guys, you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop button and you have to press OK, as I have already did. And then guys, again you can see here storage. Click on storage and you have to clear all the data here. Just click on clear all data and press OK. And then go back and you can see here app permission. Click on app permission, and then you have to allow all the permission here. Now go back, restart your phone and reopen the application. The problem will be solved. Thanks for